Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you how you can find the latest year, quarter, month, or let's say even the week within the Power BI, right? So that's the topic, and this is my second topic, and as you can see, second topic related to dates. As you can see, a lot of calculation that I am keeping. So this is the workbook that I am maintaining for my date scenarios. If you want to grab this, instructions are present in description on how to get that, right? And if you need the data, let me show you where it is present. So based on the link that I have given in the description, you will come over here in my dataset folder. In my dataset folder, what you will going to find is this dataset sheet. Here I am maintaining now all of my dataset, and mostly I use this dataset. Rest of that I have used in different types of dashboards, but this is the one which is being used over here. So you can go ahead and download this from the row number 19. Along with this information about this particular workbook or the Google Sheet where I am keeping all of my videos. So this instructions for this, how to get this sheet, is also present in the description. What you can do is you can easily search any of my videos. As you can see, 300 plus videos that I have posted, and the link is present over here. That way searching of the video is very easy. With that, let's get back. Alright, so here is the blank workbook in which I have already imported that dataset which I showed you from the sheet, and the file that or the tab that I have imported is the orders dataset. So first thing first, we will going to get is the latest date that is fixed at the dataset level. So for that, I will going to create a new measure called the fixed latest date. That is based on the max x function. So we need the table, and we want that the table is not having any impact of the filter. That's why I'm saying all orders. And over here I will say within the expression that I need the maximum order date. Yep, and let's close this. So what it will going to do is it will give me the latest date which I can check, right? Ideally it should be same for all the products, right? So over here, if you see, this is the subcategory which I want to show you, just few subcategories, and we have the fixed order date, as you can see, 31st of December 2012. Well, how it is different from max date, that is at individual product level, is basically based on the order date, which is here, and only the order date and the latest one. So what it shows is, for example, accessories last sold date is 21st of December. Well, this creates a problem in the reporting, because in reporting we need to fix or anchor the date based on which we can calculate all the different calculations or basically produce a number. So that is the difference between max date or the latest date between the fixed latest date that we created with the help of the formula. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this, why we have created this. Now what do we need is basically the latest year. Okay, so latest year is basically nothing but based on your, so alt enter is what I pressed. If you are wondering, alt enter, var variable underscore latest date. What I'm doing is I'm saying this should come in the, this is a best practice, otherwise sometimes DAX throws error. So alt fixed latest date, we have assigned it to a variable, alt enter, we will say return, alt enter, and we will going to say year underscore latest date. That is it, what you need, right? So what I'll do is I will show you over here. I'll bring this down, and latest year, right? Now same way, same formula, rather than year, what we can say quarter, right? So we will going to get the quarter, right? And same way we will going to get the month, right? Let's enter month. That will be 12 because that was December. Same way we can get the week num, right? So that will give us the week number. In this case, 53rd week. Well, probably because I think the Monday has appeared over there. So 53 week is what it is saying, but whatever is the number, right? So that's how you can take it for your advantage, create as many formulas as you want. What you needed, what is the crucial in this video, what was the crucial thing in this video was this date, right? Once you have find it out, you can create all your date related calculation very, very easily. I hope now you have got the idea and I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.